13th Gen Intel Core processors. Beyond performance, Intel's latest hybrid architecture, paired with industry-leading features, delivers the ultimate gaming experience. Stream, create and compete at the highest levels. 13th Gen Intel Core processors push your gameplay beyond performance, giving you the power to do it all. Fully powered NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics cards. Beyond fast. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series laptop GPUs are beyond fast for gamers and creators. They're powered by the ultra-efficient NVIDIA ADA Lovelace architecture, which delivers a quantum leap in both performance and AI-powered graphics. Experience lifelike virtual worlds with ray tracing, massively boost performance with DLSS 3, and get a competitive edge with Reflex. Discover revolutionary new ways to create an unprecedented workflow acceleration. The power of AI-fueled gaming. Get ahead of the game with Lenovo AI Engine Plus, equipped with LA1 AI chip for a finely tuned system that uses sensors to enhance your gaming experience. A dedicated MUX switch with NVIDIA Advanced Optimus reduces latency, optimizes battery life, and increases FPS. Smart engine technology keeps you on top of your game so you can unlock your true potential. Play hard, run quiet. Move in silence and game loud with Lenovo LOQ's Whisper Quiet thermal solution. Its innovative design includes up to 4 heat pipes, dual 85mm 12 volts high-speed fans, 28.6% larger air intake, and 24% larger outlet vents. With generous ventilation and up to 135 WTDP, your gaming rig will stay cool and quiet even in public areas or library quiet zones. Enjoy uninterrupted gaming sessions without drawing unwanted attention. Future-proof expandability. Upgrade your gaming experience with limitless expandability on the Lenovo LOQ 15IRH8 laptop. With up to 16GB of DDR5 memory and 1TB of PCIe Gen 4 storage, you can switch between gaming, streaming, and creating without any lag or slow boot-up times. Plus, with 2 SSD slots and an open M.2 slot, you can easily add a second drive for even more storage.